Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just did an unboxing of the Simply Tropical card making kit from Griffin. And in that video, I mentioned that I had purchased the Paradise Cardstock collection, and I wanted to go through the different designs in this collection. I also want to encourage you to purchase both the paper collection and the card kit because you can use all of the materials in the card kit to do scrapbook pages. Some of us prefer cards, some prefer scrapbooks. I like both, so I enjoy buying both collections as card kits and paper kits, or a complete collection for scrapbooking that includes all of the embellishments and ephemera. Okay, this will be a little loud, I apologize, but I have not opened this and looked at it myself, so we get to do this together. Inside the kit, we have 12 by 12 paper and 6 by 8. Let me see if I can get that in frame. And you get 24 of each size here. Not each design, just each size. Okay. And I'm sure the collections are the same, but we'll look at both of them and just make sure. Okay, the first design of the paper, beautiful tropical flowers. On the back, you have the gold foil seashells. And again, it looks like there are two of that design. Same thing. I hope you can see that. I apologize. This is another design. It has more of a white background and a green back with the shell design. Okay, then we have this teal and pink. That's very pretty. And on the back you have this nice design. Let's get the scallops up. Here we go. You get two of those. We also have a green. It looks like a sage green and a little darker green with the pink flowers. And again, you have the scallops on the back with the flowers. Then we have some type of palm frond, and I forget the name of these flowers, but they're very popular in the tropical areas. Then you have this, which is a pink, yellow, coral white. Okay, I have two of those. Then we have the same pattern, but with a blue background. And of course, a blue background on the back. Same thing. Now we have shells, lots of shells. I don't know what's up or down, so we'll just match this seaweed right here. And on the back, we have a sage green with a ivory off-white. We have two of those. We have a white background with the shells, and it has a pink back. It's very pretty. I like pink. And oh, this is very pretty. This reminds me of the Jasmine collection. And on the back, you have blue and pink. And there's a pink design, the same. And it's pink on the back. Then we have a pink, white, and yellow design with pink on the back. And the same design in blue and a teal blue back, which matches the teal blue that's on the front. So those are the paper designs. Then we have the exact same designs I'm thinking will be in this 12 by 12 portion of the collection. So let's get this out of the way. The 12 by 12 paper pack looks like it may have the same designs and colors. You get two 12 by 12 papers of each design. Just go through those. I hope you can see these okay. We have the teal, the green. Then we have a pink background again with these palm fronds. And what looks like, we used to call this particular plant, and I don't know if it's correct or not, but we called it elephant ears. Here's the blue background with the shells, the white background with the shells, this beautiful pattern, teal and pink. And then we have the pink paper. We have a pink floral paper. We have a teal paper. And that's the end of that collection in the 12 by 12. But what I wanted to talk to you about is how really nice it is if you can get the paper collection and the card kit, because these card bases, they make beautiful photo mats for your scrapbook page. This is going to be random, but I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And you also have these flat card bases. I think these are card fronts, I think is what they call them. These are great if you want to put photos on there, or you can, you know, put your journaling on there. Type it on a white piece of paper or cardstock and just glue it right down on here. Beautiful. Yes, the bows, they match. And all of these stickers match. Take your pick. And the sentiments. I use sentiments on my pages a lot. Like this one, it could be a graduation photo. Put it right on the edge of the photo. It's very nice. See? Sunshine. On this one, where it says sunny greetings, you can use it just that way. But if you want to cut that piece off and just say sunny, you can do that. You make each day brighter. Perfect for a scrapbook page. Sunshine when you're on vacation, and positive vibes. All of this, the foil stickers, all of this can be used on scrapbook pages. And I encourage you to do that. I encourage you to buy the card kit and the paper kit. I usually buy a card kit and either a scrapbook collection or the paper, like I did here with the card kit. And if you look at the inspiration sheet from the card kit, each one of these would make beautiful scrapbook pages. All you have to do is add a photo. So I encourage you to use these as well to inspire your scrapbook page. That's all I have today. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you again, and have a blessed day.